Hello. Today we're presenting Tickerflow AI. Now, the biggest problem in investing isn't the market, it's the complexity. The average person doesn't know what to buy or when to buy it, and we're here to solve that problem. Our solution is Tickerflow AI, the first AI-powered app that makes investing easier than ever by giving you the best of both worlds. Now, you may be asking yourself, is it innovative and feasible? Absolutely. 7 out of 10 Americans are financially illiterate, and this crisis prevents communities like the Central Valley from building generational wealth. Now, Tickerflow AI is your personal hybrid AI analyst. We democratize the tools once reserved for Wall Street, ensuring that you have the research to know what to buy and when to buy. Now, our conversational AI tutor and gamified learning experience directly builds financial literacy within our users, empowering them to reach their future and financial goals. Now, is the idea viable? Yes, our model is proven, our core AI tech is robust, and we have early traction through our communities, proving demand. We're also investment ready, and we're asking for funding to scale this proven model to achieve 10,000 paid members, reduce customer acquisition costs by 50%, and scale platform reliability and minimize churn to under 5%. Tickerflow AI is not just an app, it's a movement to empower a new generation of investors, and we're giving users access to the future. Join us in the making to make knowledge accessible to all. Thank you.